Welcome friends and colleagues to the lecture room.
Cosmogony, a long branch of science engulfing the theory of the beginning of the universe. The universe has many primitive descriptions pondered by ancient civilizations, many beliefs, accurate with some evidence, while others not so scientifically founded, have always baffled the curiosity of man. Cosmogony portrays to fathom the source of creation within the realm of man's concept of physics as reality itself, in our mechanical perception of the mass and space, of energy and reactions, the infinite components of size and depth. Religious cosmological views do not necessarily coincide with the abrupt astronomical beliefs in their conclusions and predictions by the scientific sense, that by excluding a superior source, possibly there may not be an intention of intellectual planning in a constant progress. Earth is round, covered mostly by water. Other near planets are dead, spaces with no feasible life forms that science can easily foresee. By comparison, in our rules of science, in the 16th century, Nicholas Copernicus, Kepler, and Galileo agreed to a heliocentric system. Metaphysical cosmology is the concept of man in the universe, as opposed to creatures in the universe without man, being there in the mix of life itself. Astrophysics, that being the life and death of stars, planets, and all structure of particles in the universe, is the broader of astronomy and cosmology, a comprehension on which is still an unanswered question in the perceived chemistry pertaining to the grand concept of infinity. The laws of physics are the tools of scientific reason, and the principles thereof can only fluctuate with or by alternative proofs. Yet to confirm the rules of conclusion, when new facts of science fuse with the old, evidence is the only derivative to fix all pondering expectations. Theoretical and observational developments have gained great strides since the 20th century by Einstein and others. Through once philosophical views, cosmogony has pushed to the limits of atomic and nuclear perceptions, and is now on the brink of the potential or the source of energy in the universe. The topics of cosmology include the contingent laws of the world, man's freedom versus the evil of the air. Some do not connect or compare the concept of evil to the province of cosmology. The principles of science to some are neutral, aspects of all things, without a perceived anonymous being in control. Empirical fact and metaphysical truth are speculative by much opinion. Being that things exist, there is and has been a conscious urge since primitive times to believe that there is a cause or an absolute creator, a divine plan of some sort. Primitive civilizations had greater respect for this conception than modern man, who seems to drift by his technological security that has influenced a hierarchy of faith in man himself, not God. Political movements in modern society have drifted away from the rules of nature and the laws of God, which enforce the geological factors which allow us to live. Does man have a function in the universe, or is he restricted to his own perception of self?